Model, Euro 6 Renault Trafic 1.6 DCI factory 9-seater minibus head gasket spares repair. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 222390. MOT, the 2nd of October 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs fine, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing, gearbox and clutch are perfect. Should be a nice simple repair for somebody, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus which has been well looked after. Features, sat-nav, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.